Hi guys, I have bought the festival decoration lights. These are the series bulbs, but after some usage of time, I found that they were not working. So now I just wanted to repair it and show you the procedure of the repair. And if you see in between, this light doesn't glow, this light doesn't glow. Similarly, this light is not glowing. In general, you have in the series lights, you have basically two series of lights, and the third one is the common. So you generally find three wires running along the lights, and you have a controller and you have the AC input. So when both the two series bulbs, if they are not glowing, means there could be a problem at the end where all the series LEDs of the two series are connected to the neutral. Depending on the length, you could have some n number of lights from controller to the neutral point. So in this case, one series is not glowing. Series in the sense each LED are connected to each LED in series fashion. So if it is not glowing, there could be a reason that any connection at an LED might be broken. Means there may be a break. You can find the break in two or three different ways. First step, you can start checking the each LED using a multimeter. Either they may a break or they may be a faulty LED. By taking a multimeter, put the positive lead here, put the negative lead here. If the LED glows, the LED is working fine. If the LED doesn't glow, just short these two wires from this end to this end and remove this LED so that the series connection is made fine. If in case all the LEDs are fine, there may be a break at an LED, or there may be a break in between the wire, or there may be a break at the final end point at the where the two series and the neutral wire are being connected. Since checking huge number of LEDs may be difficult, so the another method is you just choose a center point of these two LEDs and make a break. Here in this problem, one series of LEDs are glowing and the other series of LEDs are not glowing. Means this series of LED right from here to the neutral point is okay. But there is a problem in the second series of LEDs. So in order to cut short the problem and to identify where the fault has occurred in this series LED, the better method is to cut at the center and interchange these two wires. If after interchange, if the LEDs are not glowing, now the series has been changed. Now from here to the half, one series is connected. From this half to the neutral point, this series is connected. If in this situation, if the LEDs are not glowing, there could be a problem in the second half of the second section. If the LEDs are glowing from this series to this series, now there could be a problem in the first half of the second series LED. Now, after identifying which part of the LEDs, which half section of the LEDs are not working, now if for example if this is glowing and this is glowing, now there is a problem in the first half of the second section. Now similarly from here to here, choose a half point and do the same thing. Then make a cut here and interchange these two words. And if this part glows and if this entire part glows and there is no problem from this end to this end, there might be a problem in from this end to this end. So similarly make a cut at the center and then interchange, and if you start making cutting half and you can easily precisely pinpoint at which section of LEDs has gone. So immediately you can replace the LED or you can short the LED and the whole series get works. Sometimes there will be a series resistor in the initial series of the controller. Beginning from the controller, from 2-3 LEDs may have a series resistor. They value up to 1 to 2K depending upon the length of the series or the number of lights. They may be in terms of 100K also, but initially they have 2 kilo ohms, 1 kilo ohms. Please also check these resistors because these resistors are at least wattage. The probability much more is there because these resistors get heated and they may go off. So first initially check these resistors and then go on with the other procedure. Finally, one LED was open and it was simply short and the total series was glowing. Thanks for watching.